Hi everyone, in this video we'll be doing deleting middle element of stack using Python. So in earlier videos we have learned about what a stack is, we have done questions on the stack, we have deleted the bottom element of the stack. So now in this video we'll be deleting the middle element of the stack. So we know how to delete the top elements as like basic for function. So to delete the bottom element we do we'll take another stack and then we put the elements in the stack, then we pop and all this. So now we'll move. So here we have firstly we have a stack. So like we'll firstly make a stack over here, other stack in which we're supposed to store the values. uh Here we have this first one element. Here we have this first element, and then just like that elements. Okay, firstly we have, so here we have one, okay, we have two, we have three, four, and then we have five. Okay, we have the five elements. So in this five element, we want to remove the three, the middle element. So how we'll achieve this? So in this, firstly, we'll make another stack that is a temporary stack. So this is we have this one. Then we have our stack, and this one we have temporary stack we have here. So in the like temporary stack in which we'll be storing our elements for so we have this is our temporary stack in which we'll be storing our elements for some time, and then after deleting the middle element we'll keep the elements back there. So in that what we'll be doing, so we have to delete this item. So to delete this item, firstly we'll be adding these to the stack so that we'll get this item at the top. So if we add these two items in there, if we push it in here, like if we push it here, so we have this element on the top. So this would be the uh, top element. So So this would be the top element, so it would be easy for it to remove. So we'll simply apply the pop function. So this is how we'll be doing it. So we'll push it here, and then we'll push it here, and then it is the top element. So it we will remove this. So we'll remove this by simply doing a pop function. So we will be removing this. Done. So now we'll again add these two elements in the stack, which is like, okay, these two elements we have, will again add it to the stack. So here we have, okay, we'll be again adding this to the stack. It would be at here, and then it would be at here. So here we get our stack by removing the middle element. The middle element was 3, 3 is removed. So now coming to the coding part, for deleting the middle element of the stack, firstly we'll be defining a function that is remove middle element, and in that we have the will be like we'll be having the attribute stack. So firstly we'll give the like very basic condition, that is if not stack. So if there is no element in the stack, wait. If not stack, then it will uh, return. Like if there is no element in the stack, then it will return. It will return it, and it will stop the function here only. And after that, we have, okay, now we'll start like if stack is not empty. For that, we are starting like firstly we'll be defining that n is length of the stack, so it will be easy for us to write every time. Okay, so now for now, as I have already explained, we have to create a temporary stack. So creating a temporary stack, so firstly will be creating an wait a second. So firstly will be creating an temporary stack, or we can say that creating an stack to temporarily store the elements, so here we have this temporary stack. So we'll be defining a stack, and then like now we have defined it, and we'll start pushing the elements in it. So we'll be pushing the upper half of the elements. So for that we have in range range we have in divided by 2. It means that the half of the element, so it will go for the like upper half of the element. So for that we'll keep on appending the elements, okay, in the temporary stack. So we have the temporary stack dot append. We'll be appending the element, but from where will be appending it? Firstly, we'll be popping it from the earlier stack we had. So we have stack dot append, stack temporary stack dot append. We have stack dot pop. So after that, now we have append half the elements. Then we have the top element, that is 3 over here. So in that top element, will be removing that element. So for that, removing the top element, we have from the stack, we have stack dot pop function. Wait a second, it's here only. Yeah, we have stack dot pop function, and after that we have while for the top element we have uh, removing the middle element, removing the top element, I would say, there. And then we have stack dot pop. So it was the middle element which will become top, because we have temporarily stored the half of the values in the temporary stack. So after that we have after that, now we have deleted the element. Now we want our back now we want that back to the original stack. So we have while, now we go to the auxiliary sorry now we go so now we go back to the temporary stack. So we have our temporary while temporary stack, go back to our temporary stack. Now what we want to stack dot append. We want to append the items in the stack from where auxiliary from where we have temporary stack, temporary stack dot we'll be deleting from this and adding to the other one. So yeah, now we have done. So it will again go back our values we have again added to the original stack. So now we take an example. So for that example we have stack is equal to, we'll take any stack 1 2 3 4 5. We'll take the stack, and then we'll print original stack. We have this stack. Oh well, not the stack. We'll actually write my stack. Yeah, anything we'll write. I'll write my stack, and then will be So we have this function. We'll be defining this function. Remove middle element. Middle element, whatever we define my stack. So I've defined this function, and then we'll be printing again stack after deleting middle element. Stack after deleting the middle element. My stack again. We have this. So okay, now we have completed our code. Now we'll run this code. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's gonna. So yeah, this was our original stack. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after deleting the middle element of the stack, this is what we got.